Hey Stephen, I have added my script inside Clickfunnels tracking code, footer code area, so everything is set up here. I'll add your script URL here, so make sure you follow the video instruction properly. So you need to add a little bit customization inside your Google Drive. So open Google Drive. I've already shared a script with you inside Messenger, so just open Google Drive. So we are going to create an app script from Google Drive. So after loading Google Drive, click on new and click on this more button, and you will see at the bottom Google app script. So right now I don't have access to your Google account or Google Drive, so click on this Google app script. I have already shared the script in your messenger. Just open that script into any text editor. So all you need to do is just copy the script and just remove those. When you open the Google app script, make sure you remove those function and just paste my script here. After pasting my script here, all you need to do is just click on publish, deploy as web app, then give your project a name. Let's say CF application to Google Sheet or whatever you like, then click on OK. It will ask you for deploy as web app. So right now it's a new version, so whenever we make any changes or you make any changes, you need to make sure you keep this as new version. So right now it's new. You can write something here, or just then make sure you need to give permission to your script. So here you need to select anyone, even anonymous, so who has access to the app. So click on anyone, even anonymous, then click on deploy. It will ask you for permission. So here you see it saying authorization required, so click on review permission and just give it access. So when somebody submits your form inside Clickfunnels application page, so it will send all those data to your app script. Then app script will, so just from here just select your Google account, then app script will store everything inside your Google Sheet that I have already customized. So from here it will say this app is not verified, click on advanced and then click on go to CF application in that the name of your app script. Click on this and everything will be set up. And what I will need is from here you need to click on allow. So after publishing the app script, what I will need is I will need this URL. I will need this URL. Just copy this URL and store it somewhere and just click on OK. Then I'm going to add this URL inside tracking code, inside inside the script where it's saying bar URL, then single quote we're going to replace this URL inside this single quote. Just paste it here. Make sure that this single quotes remain intact, single quotes. So that's it. Then we're going to save, and later on you can test and see if everything comes here. So I have renamed the sheet, so right now it's saying June challenge 2020. So you don't need to add anything. So all those application, there are 10 fields. So if everything is alright, all those form data will be stored here. So I need to make few customization here, like I've used those name without any space. So you don't need to change anything here, and that's it. If there is any issue, feel free to text me. I will have a look. Thank you.